What's going on, you guys? Connor here, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through 7 winning products that you guys can sell right now. And what I'm going to do also after I go through those 7 products is tell you exactly how you can market these products with emotion, as well as what is a good, okay, and a bad product test for these products. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's get into it. For this video I'm also doing a giveaway, so in order to win a free one-on-one call with myself, all you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment hashtag free value along with the video recommendation. So what I mean is you can subscribe, like, and then comment something like hashtag free value, and then a question or video recommendation like, can you make a video on Facebook scaling or, Facebook testing, whatever it may be, right? So just do those things and you'll be entered to win the giveaway. Okay, so make sure you guys do this right now so you guys don't miss out. Now we are here on our first winning product, number 1. It is the stainless steel kitchen drying rack. Okay, and I have the video right here. Before I play the video, I just wanted to say that this product is a product that you guys could really sell well, especially if you're in a kitchen niche. It's a product that's actually at a little bit higher of a price point, which is why I chose it, because primarily when there's any winning product videos or when there's any recommendations for winning products, they tend to be in the lower price point of under $20 for the cost of the product. So this one's a little bit higher and you can actually make a good amount of margin with it. So the AliExpress cost is $73, and I would sell this anywhere from $99 to $129, making it more of a high ticket drop shipping product. And you could target this to women over the age of 35. So we'll go ahead and play the video for you. So it's just basically a rack that you can put pots and pans in it, plates, cups, whatever it may be, and it just goes right over the sink. So anything that the water that's like dripping down, right, it'll go directly into the sink. So it's a really, really good product. I mean, if you think about it, it solves a problem if people don't have enough space to dry their dishes. And as you can see from the video, right, it's very snappy. It goes like from one clip to the next clip, and boom, boom, boom. And that's the way you guys should make your video if you're gonna do this. Honestly, you could buy this product. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but you could buy this and make a video just like this at your house. I mean, it wouldn't really be that hard to do. So you have your own footage. You wouldn't have to worry about copyright claims and stuff like that. So that's winning product number 1. Winning product number 2 is this monkey t-shirt. Now this is a very funny product. I've actually sold this product myself and done fairly well with it. I just didn't end up scaling it. So this is a great product you guys could sell. The target market is anyone over the age of 20. That's where I always start my Facebook ads, anyone over the ages of 20. AliExpress cost is only $6, and you could sell this for $19.99, even $24.95, or $29 if you want, but I'd start the price at $19.99. So here's the shirt. It's pretty funny. I think this would be a great gift for getting for your dad, or maybe someone just as like a kind of a Christmas gift, bring for like a gift exchange type thing. It would work really, really well. And it's just a big face of a monkey, and clearly with the beer belly, that definitely accentuates the benefits of this product, I'd say. So kind of a funny product there, really easy to sell, as you can tell, right, just based off the thumbnail of this video. It sells itself. You don't even have to sell it that hard. I mean, you could just buy this product yourself, record a video of you using it, and put it on Facebook and make a good amount of money from that. So that's the second product. The third product is two-sided magic tape. I'm sure some of you have seen this. I would actually sell this rather than selling it as one individual item. I would basically sell this as a 3-pack for $19.99, right? Because since this product is very cheap, what you want to do is try and bundle it and get your AOV as high as possible. Because if you were to just sell this product, one roll of tape at a time, you're probably only gonna be able to sell it for maybe $6, $7, $8, at the highest, and you're really not leaving yourself that much room of margin, right? If the product costs $1.77 and you're selling it around $6 or $7, for one unit, and your average order value is under $10, overall with Facebook ads, long term, that's not going to work. So how I would do it is I would sell this as a 3-pack for $19.99. You could even do a 4-pack or a 5-pack for maybe $24 or $29, but I would primarily start this as a 3-pack for $19.99 because it's a great product. It has amazing visual appeal. It's a product that can really sell itself. It doesn't take much marketing or much emotion behind it, right? It solves a problem, and it's just a good product overall. You could sell it to essentially anyone. It doesn't have to be men, women, regardless of what they're interested in. This is a product you could sell to a mass group of people. It has a wide appeal, and that's why I love it for a winning product. So winning product number 4, these are stylish military grade shoes. Now I just saw this ad come across my Facebook feed right before I was filming this video, and the reason I like this is because previously you've seen those indestructible shoes that went absolutely viral. Well, these are a little bit more trending and stylish shoes that I've seen that are also, you know, indestructible. So it takes a product that was winning initially, a really good winning product, and it's improved it now where you can sell it to maybe a little bit younger of a demographic on Facebook. And I would say, you know, to sell this to men, because these shoes right here that I'm showing you, and as you can see in the ad here, these shoes are mainly for men, right? You wouldn't want to sell these to women. The cost is actually not too bad. I was looking on AliExpress, and most sellers are selling these, you know, style shoes for only about $20, which means it's perfectly set up for you guys to have, you know, a $30, $40, $50 profit margin on this if you sell it for around, you know, $49 to $79. The reason I also like this product is because there's a ton of footage out there for you guys to use, whether you have your own footage or not. I think that this product, there's a ton of footage out there you guys can use. Just be careful about what footage you use and make sure it's not, you know, being branded by another store, because you don't want to get copyright claimed on Facebook. But yeah, like I said, this ad is very good. It's engaging, and the product itself, you know, it can sell itself similar to the other ones. So winning product number 5, this is the survival hook. I'll go ahead and play the ad for you guys right here. And basically all it does is just a hook that basically you can pick anything up. So when you put it down, it kind of latches onto itself, you know, using gravity basically. And the target market for this would be men over the ages of 25. AliExpress cost is only $4, and I'd sell this anywhere from $19.99 to $24.99. Clearly in the ad, you know, engaging ad, just lists the benefits, nothing too crazy on here. It's a simple product. It solves a problem that, you know, people could use in their daily lives, right? You don't even have to be like a camper or, you know, someone who's outdoorsy to use this product. It was just, you could use this as kind of like a safety thing. Like if you're ever in a, you know, tight situation, or if you ever worry about, you know, getting out of a, you know, sticky situation, this is a great product to just have in your car at all times or carry with you, because it's so versatile, as you can see from the ad. So that's kind of how I would market this, as more of a wide appeal in terms of not just going to the survival niche. I'd do more of like a wide appeal, like, you know, to be safe and try and like scare people that, oh, you really need this product because what if this situation happens, right? So present them with a problem that they didn't know they had, and then give them this product as a solution to that problem. So winning product number 6, this is the dog paw cleaner. I'm sure you guys have seen this. The reason I like this product is because even though it does have a decent amount of orders on AliExpress, I'm not really seeing anyone market it the right way, and I'm not really seeing people market it with high quality footage. So I think what you could do for this product is, if you have a dog, or if you know friends who have dogs, is literally like take such a high quality video of this product with your phone, right? Because like if you look at the footage they're using, it's not amazing quality, and I see a lot of recirculated footage and videos on Facebook ads of this product, and it's just not very good, right? So you could literally get your friend's dog, get your own dog, buy this product, use it, and have a high quality video of the product, and you already are going to immediately stand out compared to your competition. Or what you could do is take this product, take it to like a pound, or take it to maybe outside of a vet, right? And you could literally ask people that walk in, if they don't have their dogs, if you don't have a dog or you don't know anyone who has a dog, you could literally stand outside of these businesses and ask, hey, can I borrow your dog for a quick video? I'm trying to sell this product online, and just make small talk, right? So it's like there's no excuses why you can't go make your own videos if you have a cell phone, if you have, you know, any type of camera, a GoPro, whatever it may be. If you have a video camera and you know you're saying that this product can't sell, or you're struggling with, you know, getting a higher CTR, like film your own video, figure out how to make your own video, and that's gonna really help you long term in drop shipping, right? There's really no shortcuts that I would recommend taking, especially on a product like this where there's already existing footage out there. So make your own video, ask people if, you know, that you can use their dogs for this video, buy the product. It's relatively cheap, $5 is not that much, and that way you don't have to pay any video editors as well, right? But if you do want to pay video editors, go ahead and do that. You know, basically if you want to save money, make it on your own. If you want to save time, pay people to make the videos for you. That's always how I view you know, entrepreneurship in general. The 7th winning product is the remote controlled alligator head. Now this is a product that's pretty interesting. I think it's really funny, and you could sell it as like a gag gift during Christmas, and you know, pretty much for anyone's birthday. You can market it to anyone over 20, men or women, doesn't matter. And AliExpress cost is pretty cheap, only $7.94, and you could sell this for easily $29.99. So here's the product. It's basically just an alligator head that you can scare your friends with. So great product for the summer. You still have, you know, a couple months here if you're in the States for summer, so definitely you could hop on this trend, sell the product. And I know it is electronics, I think you'd probably be okay with this product just because I've looked at the reviews and they seem decent for this product. But yeah, very simple ad, as you can see, right? All they have at the top there is just I need this ASAP, and yeah, you can definitely get some good reactions out of here. So what I would do honestly is buy this product, film a video yourself, or just take the clips that you have online, as long as you're not, you have their permission to use the clips. And I think it could make for some viral videos, right? Like, this is just one example of a video that someone used, and I really think it would be easy for you to make another viral video like this with just a little bit higher quality. So now that I've shown you those 7 winning products, I'm going to talk to you guys about the steps for testing these products, okay? So the first thing you can do anytime you want to, maybe one of these products stood out to you, like the alligator head or maybe that survival hook, what you're going to do is just search that product name on YouTube, Facebook, Google, find as many clips as you can, and I'd say around 5 to 6, find 5 to 6 different videos, cut up those videos, and then combine those multiple video clips together. Try and use the same emotion in your ad video, your ad copy, your product description. This is going to allow your ads and your store to feel more branded and feel more together, right? So if I'm marketing, say I'm marketing this alligator head and I'm trying to market it as a funny product, but then in my in my video I'm marketing as a funny product, right, a viral product, but then in my product page it looks really spammy and it looks like it doesn't look as like a fun, quirky product. People are going to be kind of confused, like, oh wait, I thought I was going to buy a funny product. Like, so your store name should be something related to something funny, or like trending products or whatever it may be, right? You want to make sure everything kind of is cohesive and it makes sense for the buyer, because if something doesn't line up, then they're really not going to trust your store in general. So definitely make sure that all 3 of those things, the ad video, ad copy, and your product descriptions, all mesh well together. The 4th step for testing is to create 3 different thumbnails for the video. So you can use emoji, arrows, circles. If you don't know what good thumbnails look like, you can check out my previous videos where I go into thumbnail creation and how to make an effective thumbnail to increase your CTR, which also stands for click-through rate. The 5th and final step for testing would be to launch one campaign. You can do this CBO or non-CBO depending on what your budget is. And I'd launch 10 ad sets with 3 ads per ad set. Those different ads basically being 3 different thumbnails. So it'll be the same video, but just 3 different thumbnails. You'll launch that at $7 per day ad set budget. You'll target single interests and tier 1 countries, and that's basically all you have to do for the testing process. So you're probably going to be asking yourself, how do I analyze my data on Facebook Ads Manager? So if you follow my process, you test one of these products, and after 24 hours you get 2 purchases, that is very good. You can full send scale this. If you only get 1 purchase, that's okay. I'd say let run for another 12 hours, and if no purchase, then you can kill. And if bad, then you have 0 purchases, and I'd kill the product and move on. So basically, if you get 2 purchases, what you should do is keep taking those interests that are working well and break those down by the platform that they got purchases on. So break it down by Facebook or Instagram and just duplicate at the same budget, and keep testing like 5 to 10 new interests every single day until you get enough data to build your lookalikes, and then you'll start testing lookalikes, including the 50% video view, 75% video view, 95% video view, and then you can do view content, website visitors, add to cart, and so on, right? So that's kind of the scaling process. I'll get more into detail on that, but scaling process is really, it depends on the store. And that's why when I'm working with my students, a lot of them don't know how to scale products properly. So that's where I come in and help them scale the products, as you've seen if you watched the last video with my student Cole, who was able to do $14,000 in profit in just 1 month of my mentorship program. So scaling is really, really tricky. It can take some time to get a hang of, and to fully understand how to retarget people properly and build your funnel, basically, where you're sending traffic initially at the top of your funnel, and then you're keeping people in your funnel with retargeting ads on Google, on Facebook, email marketing, text message, chat messaging, right? So it's a really, really comprehensive process, especially when you're scaling a product. But for testing purposes and getting you guys to find your winner, this is going to be a great video for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to join my free Facebook group, it's called Shopify Secrets. There'll be a link to join in the description. It's a free group. You can network with others, and really the group's growing. I think we're at over 500 members now. Once we hit 1,000 members, I'll be doing an exclusive live stream with you guys, so make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed the video, if you want to win the giveaway, make sure you guys do those 3 things: comment, like, subscribe to the video, and drop me the hashtag free value with a video recommendation you want me to do next. That's going to be it for me. As always, you guys, keep your mind right. Peace.